You ready, bro?
Way ahead of you, dude.
All right, man. It's finally time we decide the film we're gonna watch tonight. We got The Sound of Metal, Minari, The Father.
The Shining, dude. The Shining.
Okay, cool. We also have The Shining, but how about Judas and the Black Messiah?
The Shining, all the way, bro. It's The Shining.
Is that really the vibe we're going for, man? A 2.5 hour slow burn?
What are you talking about, dude? The Shining is a non-stop thrill ride.
All right, all right, fine. Let's do this. The Shining. Woo.